Learn how to clean your kitchen faucet spray head without using a plastic bag. Instead, we'll use a small glass bowl or cup. And a clothespin to hold the spray hose. A binder clip or chip clip will also work. Next, we'll grab a bottle of distilled white vinegar and pour some into the bowl until the face of the spray head is submerged. We'll then let the vinegar work for an hour. 1 hour later, the vinegar dissolved most of the mineral buildup. We scrub the spray head with a stiff plastic brush to loosen the buildup. And soak the spray head again. After another hour, the spray head was nice and clean. Turn on the water to rinse the spray head. Remove the clothespin. And one final test. That's how you do it.